In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match multiple payments to one invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever needed to apply multiple payments to a single invoice but weren't quite sure how to do it, you're in the right place. This process is key for keeping your records accurate and ensuring your accounts are always up to date. QuickBooks Online makes it straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident handling this task. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open QuickBooks Online and navigate to the left-hand menu. Once there, click on the navigation menu to expand the options. Next, select Transactions from the list. Under Transactions, you'll see the Bank Transactions option. Go ahead and click on that to access your bank feed. This is where you'll find all the payments linked to your connected bank accounts. Now, locate the first payment you want to apply to the invoice. Once you've found that payment, click on it to expand its details. This will give you a closer look at the transaction and allow you to link it to the appropriate invoice. When you're ready, click the Match button. This will open the matching panel, where QuickBooks will display a list of open invoices. Take a moment to review the list of invoices. Look for the specific invoice you want to apply this payment to, and once you've found it, simply check the box next to that invoice. This tells QuickBooks that you want to link the payment to that invoice. After confirming your selection, click Match again to finalize the payment application. At this point, the first payment will be applied to the invoice. Once that's done, you'll return to the Bank Transactions list. Now, locate the next payment that also needs to be applied to the same invoice. Just like before, click on the payment to expand its details. Then click Match to open the matching options. When the panel appears, you'll once again see the list of open invoices. Find the same invoice you matched the first payment to and check the box next to it. After doing so, click Match to finalize the application of this second payment. You'll continue repeating these steps for any additional payments that need to be applied to the same invoice. Each time, make sure you're selecting the correct invoice and confirming the match. Once all the payments have been applied, the invoice will be fully paid, and your records will reflect the updates accurately. And that's it. Matching multiple payments to one invoice in QuickBooks Online is as simple as following these steps. It's a great way to keep your accounting organized and ensure that your books are always accurate. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.